Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's code on the menu is P0454, which means there's an issue with your evaporative emission control system pressure sensor. Don't worry, it sounds complicated, but it can often be a simple fix. In this video, we'll go through some troubleshooting steps you can try at home before heading to a mechanic. The P0454 code indicates that the sensor monitoring your car's evaporative emission system is sending an intermittent signal to the engine control unit. This system captures and stores gas vapors to prevent them from being released into the atmosphere. Check engine light. The most obvious sign will be the illumination of the check engine light on your dashboard. Fuel odor. You might notice a stronger fuel smell due to the evap system not properly capturing fuel vapors. Difficulty starting. In some cases, a faulty evap system can lead to issues with starting your vehicle. Visual inspection. Start with a visual inspection of the evap system. Check for any obvious signs of damage to the hoses or wiring that could be affecting the pressure sensor's performance. Check the gas cap. A loose or damaged gas cap can cause issues with the evap system's pressure, so ensure it's tightened or replace it if necessary. Use an OBD-I scanner. Connect an OBD-I scanner to your vehicle to confirm the P0454 code and check for any other related codes that could help pinpoint the issue. Smoke test. A smoke test can help identify leaks in the evap system. Introducing smoke into the system and looking for where it escapes can pinpoint holes or cracks in hoses. Check the gas cap. Believe it or not, a loose or faulty gas cap is a common culprit for P0454. Start by giving your gas cap a good visual inspection. Look for cracks, tears, or any obvious damage to the seal. Clean and tighten. Take a rag and wipe down the gas cap seal. Make sure there's no debris or grime preventing a proper seal. Tighten the gas cap firmly, but don't overdo it. Locate the sensor. The FTP sensor is usually mounted on top of the fuel tank or along the fuel line. Consult your repair manual for the exact location. Disconnect the sensor. Find the electrical connector plugged into the sensor and carefully detach it. Inspect and replace. Examine the sensor and wiring for any damage. If it looks faulty, replace it with a sensor compatible with your car model. Reset the check engine light. After the repairs, use an OBD-I scanner to clear the P0454 code and reset the check engine light. If the repair was successful, the light should stay off. If you're not comfortable with any of these steps, don't hesitate to take your car to a trusted mechanic. They can diagnose the problem and get your evap system back in check. Conclusion. While the P0454 error code can be daunting, understanding the potential causes and steps to diagnose the issue can make it manageable. Always start with the simplest solutions, like checking the gas cap, before moving on to more complex diagnostics. If you're ever unsure, consult with a professional mechanic to avoid causing further damage to your vehicle. Thanks for joining me. Hopefully, this video equipped you to tackle that P0454 code. If you have any questions or fix-it tips to share, leave them down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care know-how. See you next time.